Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Zach, and this is Zach's Pyrotechnics. So, we're just showcasing what my son got in his stocking this year. I bought him fireworks to put in his stocking this year, and did you like them?
Yeah.
Would you want to get fireworks in your stocking next year?
Yeah.
Did you almost blow your foot off this morning coming in here with a picture of the snaps on steroids?
Yep.
Okay guys, so this is everything I put in my son's stocking for fireworks. It's not everything, but this is the fireworks I put in a stocking. So they got darts here, also known as zingers, snaps on steroids. My son wanted to try that out, and we'll do a demonstration of 3 together and just the singles. There's a star ball contributor. That's what it looks like. Spins around, explodes. And then these, I haven't seen these since I was a kid. Hand blaster. Look at that. Over 400 blast. And then explodes safely in your hands. Isn't that something? And we'll do a demonstration of that right here. And you can smell the... And then we're just gonna go out and we're gonna light the rest of the stuff out for you, outside for you guys. So we'll see you out there. Cut. Hey guys, so we're outside. Got these snap-its. We're gonna do the 2 singles first, and then we'll do the 3. That's 3 taped up. Snaps on steroids. Right here. It's got some pop to it. All right, guys. This is the 3 taped up. And then my son wanted to throw the dart. Let's just throw it right on that one. All right. That was those steroid snaps are just completely awesome, man. Ready? These are the darts. Get back more. These are the darts. Where'd the ball go?
On the ground.
Star ball contributor.